You know, when you think that things can't get any nuttier than they are, well, you wouldn't be thinking correctly. I just got an interesting little article, and I'm going to put it on my Facebook, and I'm going to attach the links. You're not going to have to go look for it. But you know what's wrong with the way judges, federal judges, are appointed by presidents, and Supreme Court justices are appointed by presidents? Well, you end up putting idiots that sort of toe the line based on their obligations to those that put them in power. We've got a federal judge that Obama put in power, and this article talks about that. The title is "The Border Fence is a Racist. Obama-appointed judge rules on inanimate object is bigoted." A Homeland Security initiative to put fencing along the U.S.-Mexican border could discriminate against minorities, according to an Obama-appointed federal judge who's ruled that the congressionally approved project may have a desperate impact on low-income minority communities. Now, what the hell does that mean? Desperate impact on low-income minority communities. Well, I mean, this is totally crazy. So now, I gotta believe they're gonna want to take down any fencing that exists. I mean, there's no reason to have the fences if federal judges feel that it's going to have a desperate impact on low-income minority communities. Forget about the impact it'll have on American citizens. That's inconsequential. What's important here is that it doesn't have a desperate impact on low-income minority communities. See, this is what's wrong when you've got federal judges or Supreme Court justices being appointed by presidents, even those that don't qualify to be president, like in the case of the chosen one. You really want to take a look at this. A 2006 federal law orders the construction of fencing or a wall along the most vulnerable portions of the nearly 2,000-mile southern border. This includes reinforced fencing along 700 miles of the southwest border, with the Department of Homeland Security determining the exact spots. Okay, so now let me understand this. Homeland Security is going to determine the exact spots. Anyway, you want to read the whole article. It's very entertaining. And again, it simply confirms or reconfirms how screwed up our country really is. That's what I think. And I think you'll think the same way after reading this article.